All right, we're filming right now.
This is Maya right here. Okay. Maya, can you roll over? Okay, one more. One more. Good girl. 1 foot. Other foot. To your beak. There we go.
No kidding.
That's awesome. You like the bird too? Oh, these ladies nowadays.
You want to come home with me? How long have you had her?
21 years now. She sleeps right here at night, every night. Under the covers. Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh,
Best
man.
companion I've ever had. Human or animal.
Oh my goodness, you are so
Oh,
cute.
she's trying to get to somebody here.
Her eyes look like the little googly eyes, like you just stick
Oh.
on things.